Tornadoes have ravaged the United States so far in 2024, with over 680 confirmed twisters across the country. From the deadly EF4 tornado that struck Marietta, Oklahoma in April, to the destructive outbreak in late April that spawned over 100 tornadoes, it's been a brutal year for severe weather. Engineers say the year's tornado activity has already caused hundreds of millions in damage, and tragically, 17 Americans have lost their lives so far. With tornado season continuing, experts warn the worst may be yet to come.